Welcome. This is Duel of the Stars, Episode 1. Who goes there? I can hear you. Come out. Come out. I know you're there. Come out. I want to win this war. I know you're back there. I guess I was wrong. There was no one there. I hope my soldiers don't think I'm crazy. Okay, I could have sworn I just saw something. I hear something. I saw them. Where'd you go? I know you're there. I saw you. Where are you? Safe and sound. What's wrong? What's that? I see something. What is it? I should have sworn I heard something. Wow! That's why they call me a commando. Whoa! Whoa! Okay. Major, I did it. I think I did it. I hope I did it anyway. Oh God, I'm tired. What was that? Oh, crud. To be continued.